If you have a spare dollar in your pockets, I can tell you. Are you in love?
Face your fears inside.
Then know what to do. Lots of an eye contact with the phone here. When I
Make room for everyone. There's no point.
No!
Wait,
No.
let me go back.
Welcome to Tom Wilson Balthazar's Haunted Mansion. Do not touch any sets, decorations, or props, and nothing will touch you. You're watching. Good luck.
Why is that guy Goonie? Like, Benny!
Actually, no, I shouldn't give him any sense of direction.
What did I actually...
Benny,
Oh,
Benny.
another
Go.
I hate that. No. I hate that.
Oh shit.
Lulu's going for good.
Actually, he got deaded.
He just likes it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Come on, why this house has a burn too.
Yeah.
And why isn't the pitch dark Sigma? It's really freaky though, right?
I think this one's like aged the best out of the three we've done.
This one.
Yeah, this is better than last time we were here.
Yeah. They had more like texturing at the like first half of it.
Yeah, they haven't done anything.
Okay, move forward.
Oh, Benny, go through.
Oh shit! This is kind of cool though, actually.
Whoa.
They're going out. Ah, shit. You go first.
Benny, it's the exit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Benny.